is S. Madan Kumar from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skill Council certificate. Now I am going to perform liquid penetrant test belongs to MDT. Before the testing, I am taking cleaning the cleaning the subject from the solvent cleaning method by using remove solvent cleaner to remove contamination on the surface. Now we can penetrate on the surface. It can take some time, dwell time. After we have to remove the excess penetrant on the surface.